Hello traders, in this video we will talk about correction. As in the last video we got to know what the uptrend and the downtrend is. We saw that the uptrend is when the market makes higher highs and higher lows, and the downtrend the market makes lower lows and lower highs. But these higher lows and lower highs are called the corrective moves and is called the correction by the market. These usually happen near the previous accumulation areas. So, uh, for example, if a share has been coming down and there was some accumulation at some point, and then the downtrend continued, and now there is some accumulation at the bottom, the stock starts to go up. So at this point there will be some selling pressure. So the market takes this opportunity to correct itself and comes down, and later continues to go up, maintaining the bull trend. So this is what the correction looks like in the bull market, and for the bearish market it is simple that it looks something like the opposite, and we get a small up move and then we go down. So this part, this small part is called the correction. It happens in both the bull market and the bear market. So here I have the Nifty chart. It is on the 1 hour chart, and if we see the chart from this point onwards, then the chart is bullish because we have been continuously making higher highs and higher lows. So this is a high, then this high continues till this point. So this is a high, this is a high, this is a low, this is a low. Now this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, and the market is just keeps on going up. So this is a bull trend and a bullish move, and all these corrections are for buying and not for selling. One thing you should keep in mind, that these corrective moves are not for selling and they are for buying. As soon as I post some chart that there is a correction, everyone just wants to short sell, but these corrections are not for short selling, and they are for building long positions at the lower level. Now the second part that which we have to talk about the correction is the price wise correction and the time wise correction. So in the chart we have two axes. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. This is the price, this is the time. Now the market or the share has to correct in both the dimensions here, both the axes here. So if the stock has started its move from, let's say, 500 rupees, and it has reached 1000 rupees, now it is coming down for correction, and if it goes up, this correction first is done in the price wise manner and then in the time wise manner. So what it looks like is that if the correction is sharp, that the fall is very fast, then the price wise correction is done. That means that the market has made this bottom for this corrective move, and then it has to correct. Now time wise correction it has to do, because the price wise correction is over. Price wise is done by the price and the time wise is done in the time. But if we talk about the opposite, that the market is almost in the upper side, then it is doing time wise correction and not the price wise correction, and at the last it can dip like this very fast, complete the price correction and then start to go up instantly. And the third is the middle ground, that it corrects in the price and the time at the same time, and this looks something like this, a 45-degree level, and then we start to go up. So if I go to the monthly chart, this is what Nifty looks like to me, that we have a uptrend and then we got a sharp fall, and this price wise correction is done. We have corrected, we got to see the lower levels, and now we are going up, but I think there is time wise correction left. We will spend some time here and then we go up. This is my analysis as of now. And if we see the 2008 correction, people call it the crash, I call it the correction. If we see, the bull trend was a very long bull trend, and this move can only be called as a correction in the bull market and not as a crash. For the people who entered here, this is a crash, but for the people who are in the market for a long time, the bull move started in 2003 and it lasted 5 years. So this is just a correction for that move and not a crash. So here I am looking at the bull market, and this looks just like a small correction, and this time the price wise correction has taken place first, and now the time wise correction is left, which we can do at this level. We have to see, but here in the fall of the 2008, we see that it did not crash like this, and it went something like this, and then we see accumulation at the lower level, and we start to go up. So this was a normal correction, but here we get a sharp correction, and now the time wise correction is left, which we'll have to see. So now I have completed 2 videos here on this channel. The first one of the technical analysis talks about the uptrend and the downtrend, and this talks about correction and also tells us about the correction by price wise and then the time wise correction. So after watching these 2 videos and any chart you see, you should be able to answer these questions. First question, whether the index or the share, whatever you are looking at, is in the uptrend or the downtrend. First question, you should be able to tell that if this is a uptrend or this is the downtrend on whatever time frame you are looking at. If you are looking at a big time frame, then whether the share or the index is bullish or bearish or in the sideways market, you should be able to tell. Now the second point, you should be able to tell that if the market is coming down, is it in a correction or is it actually in the downtrend or the uptrend move, or if it is going up, whether it is in a uptrend. If you see some chart which is like this and then it is going up and now it is coming down, so you should be able to tell that first of all whether the stock is in the uptrend or the downtrend, and second, if it is going down or going up depending on the bull or the bear market, whether it is a correction or it is something else, or the market has reversed its direction. And third point, you should be able to tell whether the market, if there is a correction, then you have to tell that if the correction is done by the price or done by the time as well. So you should be able to tell these answers, that uptrend or the downtrend. You say that the stock is in the uptrend. The second question, that if there is a downfall, that if the downfall is a correction or it is a reversal. And the third, that if it is a correction, then what kind of a correction is this? Has this corrected by time wise or the price wise correction is left, and all those questions. So I hope the concept of correction, uptrend and downtrend is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. And this is it for the video. See you guys tomorrow.